Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a Saab 2005 9.3 ARC, and it is my first car. One of my favorite parts about this car is that it is a convertible. It only takes about 20 seconds to put the roof down, and then once all the windows are down, you have a full panoramic view of all the scenery. So, this Saab 9.3 ARC comes in the black exterior and also has a white leather interior. Unfortunately, for 17 years, the seats did get ripped up, but I'm looking into repairing those, so if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments. The back seats still look in pretty good condition, and one of my favorite things, other than it being convertible, is that it is manual. This is Saab's 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine. It has a high pressure turbo on this exact engine, which makes 210 brake horsepower. It also has about 221 pounds of foot torque. So even though this car does weigh over 1.5 tons, it's still pretty quick. A major drawback of any drop-top convertible is that you have very limited trunk space. Now, when the roof is in the up position, you can raise this section right here and have a bigger space, but right now, you're not really going to be fitting anything in the trunk. Now, as a manual, the 0 to 60 is faster than the automatic version of the car. The first gear feels very slow compared to other manuals I've driven, but the second gear lets the turbo kick in, and you're a bit faster. As my first car, I wanted a car that was good on gas mileage, was reliable, and was easier to fix on my own. Now, I know that many people say that Saabs are hard to fix, but that is only because of how different they are. Of the very few repairs I've had to do on other Saabs in my families, I've actually found them to be pretty easy. Another thing you have to make sure is that you have a mechanic in your area that will work on Saabs. And really close to our house, we do have a mechanic who works on Ford motors, and he loves to work on Saabs. He is also very good at finding cheaper parts, so it's a real blessing. Now, another great thing about this car is with the roof down, you can see the views very well, such as here in the Pacific Northwest. This car has a hydraulic clutch, and in the past, I actually learned how to drive manual on a cable clutch, which was much tougher. So if you're looking to learn how to drive manual, I recommend getting a car with a good hydraulic clutch. This is my first car, and I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did.